keep saying sugar is bad for you. You get diseases. Who am I telling to? Huh? No. Every day, blah, 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 I'm sitting and telling, no, what? You ask me for my advice, sir? Huh? If I tell sugar is unhealthy, it'll lead to hypertension, obesity, cancer, we know. If you jump off that building, you'll die. We know. Sorry. You want to eat sugar for the taste? What taste? No. Tell me what taste. Only one flavor it comes in. Sweet. How does sugar taste? Sweet. Nothing else. Dates are sweet, little pulip, little umami. Sugar has flavor, it seems. Who told? Your mommy. That also she only told. That too, little bit sugar and all you can't eat. You've seen anyone eat cake like this? After eating it'll thegify, no? That also has one chella peri. Food coma. When did going into a coma become a good thing? Huh? That too you have to put one post also. Hashtag food coma. Hashtag cheat day. Hashtag yum. And someone will comment also. He saved them for me. I'm so jealous. Oh gamma. People are sitting in the hospital and crying with their loved ones in coma. Food coma it seems. I made one big power when I said that dates are tasty and healthy. I'm going to ban the H word from the English language.